Hi, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
That's cool.
Thank you, yeah. I made that for my daughter.
You made it?
Yeah.
Can all you Brits build? My husband can make all kinds of stuff too.
I've seen some of your husband's work, and believe me, he's a lot better than I am.
Well, that's pretty cool. So this is cool too.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I like that. Did you build it?
No,
Oh.
we purchased it.
Awesome.
So,
Looks heavy.
yeah, it's really heavy.
So is this original flooring?
Yes, this is all original. I love it. I like the stress of it. You know, I don't want it to look super new.
It's really pretty. So does it go
Thank you.
all the way throughout the house?
Most of the
Apart
house,
from the
except
kitchen.
Yeah, except for the kitchen.
Oh, okay. So the kitchen's over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you kind of have to go through this breakfast nook area. That's we kind of use it as our entryway,
Okay.
and then you can come into the kitchen.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. So this is it.
Okay, so you kind of have two dining areas right now.
Yes.
Which one do you actually use?
This one.
Okay, cool. So the rest of the house looks like it's been pretty updated, except for the kitchen, which looks pretty original.
Yes.
Oh yeah, very original.
So tell me a little bit about what's working, what's not working.
What's not working for me is the double oven. So
Or
Is it a double?
it's kind of single with a broiler.
Okay.
But when we go to do like Thanksgiving or Christmas dinners, I can literally only fit a turkey in there.
Yeah.
And then I have to cook potatoes on the grill outside.
Oh.
So obviously get rid of that thing.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh yes, for sure. I noticed your laundry is over here.
Yeah, it's just terrible. I don't like it.
Do you have an area, like a closet or maybe the garage, somewhere else we could shift it to? Because I prefer to get it out of the kitchen.
Right.
We have
Yeah.
a random pantry.
Oh yeah, that's kind of random how it's all the way over here.
Yes. And you have to walk all around to get.
Oh
through.
yeah. There's plenty of room in here. I feel like we could definitely stack those and we could easily push that in here and it'd be
Okay.
totally out of the way.
Okay.
And we can move a pantry into the kitchen, which would be much more functional.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds like a good idea.
So was this like pop-out area here when you guys moved in?
Yes.
How do you guys feel about this?
I hate it.
Okay.
A lot.
It just makes things complicated as far as it's hard to get into your kitchen. Especially when you're having people over, it's like you're kind of just stuck here. There's not really a good congregating area for parties and stuff. Yeah, so you got a lot of like tile going on. You have tile counters, the tile floors. It feels very white and washed out.
I thought I loved white until I realized how much I had to scrub the dirt and the grime.
Yeah,
So
totally.
it's a nightmare.
Especially with kids.
Yeah.
So I understand you guys have $80,000 to spend here.
We have a little bit of wiggle room, you know, we have some contingency built into that, but obviously we'd like to keep it at about 80,000.
Okay, I'll try to keep it at the $80,000 range, but we have a little wiggle room.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Immediately what draws my attention is it just needs to be opened up. I'm thinking we just blow all of this out and we can create a very large island right here. By just simply moving the washer dryer to the pantry, we're gonna gain so much space in here because we really need this room for the kitchen.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then we'll close up the window that we have space for a large pantry unit right here. And I also think it'll be great to close off this window as well. That way we can shift the window over to the center and do a nice large window in the middle, and we can have uppers and lowers over here as well. We do a large slide-in range here that will have an oven below it.
I mean, I like that idea. The only issue that we got is we actually already purchased appliances.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
What did you get?
We bought a double oven, a double wall oven.
What color are the appliances?
The matte black
Oh.
with bronze handles.
Fancy.
Yes.
I love it. Okay, so only the oven is what you purchased?
No, we actually purchased a new cooktop, a new refrigerator, and a new dishwasher.
And they're all black.
And they're all black.
They're all black.
Wow, okay. This is exciting. I've never got to do black appliances. I'm excited. I spoke to Mike and he has some great news about the beam in the kitchen, so I'm excited to go check that out. And I'm also gonna show Jezebel and Simon some materials I have for the kitchen as well. What do you guys think about the space so far?
Oh my God. It looks so great. It's
Right?
so open.
I know, it's crazy. It's totally different, right?
A huge transformation.
The ceiling's flush.
It is.
Oh, that's great news.
Yeah. So remember how we were gonna drop it down because there wasn't enough room? So we were able to just cut the beam at the angle, and the engineer was happy with that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's great news.
Yeah, it's brilliant news.
So
it
it
makes
ended
the
up
room
working out.
so much better now.
Yeah.
It's a pleasant surprise.
It's great that Mike was able to cut that beam, so now the ceiling is flush. Every house has a unique set of problems, so you just have to find the solution to make the design work. So I know it's kind of a mess in here and there's a lot going on, but design. So I want to be really bold in here. And I was thinking we do the entire back wall in black. These are custom cabinets.
I love it. I think it'll look amazing.
And I was actually thinking matte, but we can do matte or shiny, whatever your preferences are.
Matte, definitely matte.
Yeah.
Matte black.
I agree.
I think that's gonna look dramatic.
So if you like that, then we're gonna have this massive island right here. So to make it pop and give it more of a Craftsman vibe, I was thinking we go with a wood grain look. So these are stained. We have a darker option, or we have a lighter option, but this is a custom kitchen, so you can go with whatever stain you like.
So I'm not a fan of the darker color. It has gray. To be quite honest, I really like our barn doors.
Love those too.
And I think that would be a good stain for it.
Totally. I love that, and that's super easy. So we can just show Mike those, and if you're up for it, then we can do the island totally matching.
Oh my God.
That would be beautiful.
Yeah, that looks so good.
Okay, I like tying it all together too. And so what I was thinking is we do
Oh my God.
this quartz marble, but not basic. We do waterfall counters. So this marble is gonna be flowing over this side, flowing over that side. It's just gonna look so incredible, just really bold.
Wow.
Yes, I love those. I really, really think it's gonna look amazing.
Okay, I'm glad you love it, because here what I was thinking for the back wall. So we do these counters back here, but we also carry them as the backsplash all the way up the back wall, along the window. Super bold, really beautiful. I've been dying to do this look.
Oh my God, the whole wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would love to match the pull handles with the appliances, the same look that they have. Do you happen to have that on you?
Yeah, no problem. I can just nip over through the garage and pull a box out.
Nip over?
Nip over.
I haven't heard that one.
Yeah,
Does that mean walk over?
It's the same thing, yeah.
Okay, all right, go nip away.
Trot over.
I've never heard nip. Nip over
Yeah, I know.
to the garage
To the garage.
so I can put it in my boot.
In your boot.
Oh.
They just
Thank you.
Yeah, my ears burning. Is that what's going on?
We're just talking about boots, you know. Okay, I love, love, love. Oh my gosh.
So dramatic, huh?
Yeah, gosh, these are incredible. Wow, fancy. I love the color. It's like a rose gold, bronzed, like copper. Okay, well, wish me luck to match this.
Yeah,
I'm
good
gonna
luck.
bring James with me because he's got the eye.
No problem. Do you
Cool.
want me to help put that in the boot?
Yeah, I'm gonna, sorry. I'm gonna protect him with this. It's scaring me, I don't wanna scratch it, but I will shake your hand too. Bye, sweetie.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
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 How are you? Good. Hi,
nice to see you
again.
Nice to see you again.
This is Simon. We finally meet.
Yeah. Nice.
Bricks
How you
in
doing?
California. This is good. Well, I've got the light in the car, which I would love for you to help me with because it's quite heavy.
Okay, let's do
Looks
it.
so good.
Oh, look at the skills.
Right, so if you grab that,
Whoa, that's amazing.
don't drag it because I don't want to scratch it.
Okay,
I injured my shoulder. I'm always getting injured
what doing?
playing football.
Oh,
You notice the way I call it football, though?
yeah. Well, it's the only way to call it.
They're getting it all ready for you. Oh my God.
Oh, right. Right. Put this on the bench for now,
Okay.
and then I can grab the light bulbs.
Okay. You
Or
sure?
we could get one of the ladies to.
Okay,
grab
I have a
them.
question for
I'm
you.
not here.
So last time you were here, the island was brown. Look at it black with these appliances in. What do you think?
So much better.
Right?
Yeah.
So how long have you been in America?
Since 2006.
And then never looked back?
No.
And how long until you guys met then?
We met in 2006, pretty shortly after he arrived.
Aw, just like us.
Yeah, there wasn't much time for any other dates and stuff, so.
She had to get me
You've got to
first.
lock it down, guys. If you take that end of the light there,
Okay.
if you come round here, lift it up and hold it sort of here. Now, if you unhook all the lights,
Okay.
so they kind of hang down. Nice
I'll
and
do
gently.
this side if you want to do that side.
Okay.
That's it, nice and gently. And then it kind of goes. See, Mike's guys have been putting the hooks up.
Right.
Now imagine it sits there.
He called it zebra wood.
No, it's zebra wood. You call it it's zebra.
No, it's zebra.
It is zebra, but look how cool that piece of wood is.
It looks amazing. I don't think I've ever seen anything
You went
like that.
specifically and found this piece of reclaimed wood. Then what do you call this? Like, what's that texture? So cool.
Yeah.
If you look closely, he said because your kitchen's black with a kind of brass handles and stuff, this is black with a brass vein.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
And then brass bolts.
Look at you. If you ever decide you don't want to be a mechanic anymore, you have a future as a light salesman.
No. Cars move faster. Right? If you look here, there's little screw adjusters on the end, so if you want to make them higher.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
But then
Wow. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
God.
So there's 4 different
This
types.
is insane.
There's one type.
And it kind of is going to match the pull handles. It has that, like, almost a tint of rose gold.
It does.
Cool.
There's one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh my gosh, so they're so different. There's a lot of variation.
So how many are there? 4 kinds? Oh, you're surprised. It's like
Oh my God.
Christmas.
But if you imagine, these are all going to hang different heights, different shapes, and then you can mix them around to get the ones you want
Yeah.
or adjust the heights.
Right.
Very custom.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Oh, these are so cool.
This is so pretty.
Right?
Nice work. I want one now. They're beautiful. After all kinds of twists and turns during this reno, I'm so excited that Jezebel and Simon's kitchen is completely transformed. And I couldn't be more thrilled with how it turned out. With social distancing in mind, I'm staying home, but it's time for Jezebel and Simon to see their new kitchen.
It's never too late to shine. It's never too late. It's never too late.
So how are you guys loving the kitchen?
Breathtaking.
It looks like a show home. Before, we had so many walls up, it wasn't functioning. Now I feel like it has flow through the house. It's made the house just that much better for us. It looks like one of those houses that, as much as I dreamed of having, I never really thought I would have it. And now that it's here, it's better than I could expect.
It's so pretty. I really wish I was there in person because it is phenomenal.
Now it is stylish, functional, beautiful.
I love it. It really does look great with the counters and the cabinets.
I just love it as you walk through the door, you know. The sleekness of this quartz is just style itself.
The waterfall counter, I love it.
That together with the cabinetry, I couldn't be any more in love with it. I am.
You definitely threw me a bit of a curveball with black appliances. Wow, fancy. But the challenge was super fun.
I just think it's amazing that we managed to tie in the handles on the cabinetry with the appliances.
Finding the pull handles wasn't easy, but it definitely paid off, and I think that they match the appliances perfectly.
I really, really love the lighting.
Hey, can I see the light? Show me the light. I've not seen it. Ah, that looks good. It looks expensive.
Looks so good.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're happy with the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Enjoy, boy.